Brunswick promotion is on, and we visited wholesales and supermarkets in Maypen to hear how consumers feel about the Brunswick products. I love the tuna. What's your favorite?
I grew up eating Brunswick. It's like a tradition, the parents, and then it handed down to me, and then my kids, them, you know, 'cause that's all they see I buy in the house, Brunswick. So if they're gonna buy a sardine on the street, they're gonna buy Brunswick.
Brunswick sardine has been a favorite of Jamaicans for decades. Customers have highlighted the product's health benefits and affordability as the main reasons for the ongoing love affair. At a recent promotion for Brunswick sardine in Maypen, customers came out to enjoy samples of escovitch to Brunswick sardine with crackers, bread, and even bun. Locations included Stoplight Wholesale, Value Mart, C&M Meats, Parkview, JR's Bargain World, New Floyd's, and Food Palace.
Now you're here at Stoplight Wholesale in Maypen and buying your Brunswick sardine. Why you came so far for Brunswick sardine?
Because of the omega-3 that it has in, it's healthy and it's good for us. Oh, don't take out the bone is good. And you see the oil in it, it's good for your skin.
How long have you been buying Brunswick?
From I was small, I always saw my parents using it, so I just grew up and stick with it.
So we understand that you are a Brunswick sardine lover. Tell me about that.
Okay, I know that it is good, especially for the persons who normally takes the bone out. They're doing away with the best part of it because that's where you get your calcium from. And of course, you're doing your one-pot meal. The sardine is all the way to go.
But how many years have you been consuming Brunswick sardine though?
From some kid. My mom always get it for us to make sandwich for school.
I know you mentioned about the healthy aspect of eating the product. What about the affordability?
Yes, it's quite affordable in comparison to the other brands on the market.
And what's your favorite way of preparing Brunswick sardine for the kids at home?
My sardine salad.
What's in it?
Well, what I do, I use my lettuce, my tomato, my onion, and my pepper along with my sardine. And I have it with my choice of biscuit or bread.
Tastes good, peppery and nice. Yeah.
So over the years, you've been a customer of Brunswick?
Yes. I always like Brunswick sardine, I don't like the next one then.
What's your favorite way of preparing the Brunswick sardine?
Just like sometime, like the pepper and the tomato and so forth, season it up and, you understand? Yeah.
So why you keep on buying? Is it because of the health benefits or the economical factor?
Well, the health benefit.
As for me, Brunswick is always the sardine that I know, and it's always the one that I stick to. So whenever I'm eating sardine, it's strictly Brunswick sardine.
And what's your favorite way of preparing it, or what's your favorite way of it being prepared for you?
Well, something like this, but I don't usually use like the vinegar or something. I just use the onion. But now that I get the taste of it, I have to start at the vinegar and make it a sauce.
I just like to open the tin and eat it just like that. Yeah, and it's also nice with white rice. If you like fry up your scallion, your onion and your seasoning and so on, it's nice with the white rice.
I'm fine.
You just sampled the Brunswick escovitch sardine. Your thoughts on it?
It is very good. Love it.
Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
What you like about it?
It tastes nice, I've known different tastes.
Now at home, how do you prepare your Brunswick sardine for the kids?
Like fry up onion and so with it.
But tell me what you like about it.
Actually, the onion and the pepper bring out a different flavor that I've never tasted before in a regular sardine.
So for you, the flavor is what matters?
Flavor is what matters, so I love it.
Shoppers who purchased 4 tins of Brunswick sardines were given a free tin plus a chance to dip and win. The Brunswick dancers brought some excitement to the proceedings at Stoplight Wholesale.
Pretty face with the good shape them. In a bun bush weed, that is a good try. Go punch up if I get that, me say me well up. Artist singing at the streets and not me say that. Everything when me put on some Gucci to look with Vuitton, Jimmy Choo, Italian, Balenciaga. People so need a pretty feet, it do not fit the description, that's all the other. Salvatore Ferragamo, it a top on them. Cash and name, coffee cup on them. Some boy gonna cough it like on them. Image on my tablet. Stop beer, I'll insure them. Modeling, red carpet then. Girls roll out in
Simone McFarlane, the Business Development Officer for Brunswick, spoke about the day's proceedings, and she also highlighted the health benefits of eating Brunswick sardine.
May Pen is a huge market for us, and of course, Kevin, we're focusing on Brunswick sardines. Everybody knows, right? Brunswick is all about sardines. We have tuna, we have salmon, we have mackerel, but this time we wanted to take Brunswick sardines back to the public, give them back a little sample, remind them of that wonderful Brunswick taste, and of course, when they buy 4 or more, they get some for free today. We're going to Mandeville Town next, so I want people to look out for us in the streets, going to sample sardines, buy 4 and you get something, you get to dip and win, and just remember that good old-fashioned sardine flavor, that taste. Brunswick, of course, is it one next sardine exists? One? No, I don't think so either. So we hope that we'll see more people coming out and supporting the brand and really enjoying what Brunswick has to offer. Last year we sampled everything, right? So you get to taste a little tuna, a little mackerel, a little thing, but we really wanted to bring it back to sardines. It's a very traditional brand for Jamaica. So I wanted to bring it back and just remind everybody, listen, Brunswick is a lot of things, including tuna and everything else. But sardines, that's a tradition, right? So I wanted to focus on that in 2019. Brunswick sardines is full of omega-3s, right? And omega-3s are healthy, fatty acids. And these are very important to your brain's development, very important to even metabolizing fat. Its sardines are also chock full of calcium, but only if you eat the bones. Guys, I know some of you like to pick it out, but it's really good for you, especially for persons who are lactose intolerant. You can consume sardines with the bones in, and vitamin B, vitamin B12 in terms of the absorption of the same. There's a little iron in it, selenium. There's a lot of minerals and vitamins chock full in just 1 can of sardines. It's also high in protein. The feedback last year was amazing. Persons who are able, I think, to connect more with our brand and realize that even though Brunswick is an international brand, it's just as very much Jamaican as other brands. And this, of course, again, just embodies out of many one people, right? This is what Jamaica is all about. And I think that also, to support an international brand like Brunswick that does care about Jamaicans, it's a big win for us both.
And that's the Brunswick promotion in May Pen, Clarendon. The next stop, Mandeville.
After the break, we highlight the James Bond connection to Jamaica, St. Lucia delivers the Caribbean video, and we roll out the Magnum Top 10.
One more shot. Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.